Hey there, fellow heartists. Welcome back to Heart for Art Live. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're going to dive into the world of biblical. Hey, wait, Eve, what are you doing? Don't eat that. Anyways, like I was saying, we're going to dive into the world of biblical art and explore the Garden of Eden while telling the intriguing story. But we're not just drawing it. We're going to interact with the characters as we go along. So, grab your sketchbooks and let's embark on this artistic and narrative journey. First, let's set the stage. We're going to draw the lush Garden of Eden. Picture a paradise with beautiful trees, vibrant flowers, and a serene river flowing through it. In the beginning, after the creation of the heavens and the earth, the story continues in the Garden of Eden. And so, God formed man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. Adam, the first man, was placed in this paradise.
Hello, I'm Adam. Well, an interpretation of Adam.
Given the privilege of tending to the garden and dominion over all the creatures of the earth. He named every creature, from the majestic lion to the smallest bird. In this perfect harmony, God saw that something was missing. God caused a deep sleep to fall upon Adam, and from his side he took one of his ribs, and Adam said, "This is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man." Eve,
I'm Eve. Well, an interpretation of Eve.
the woman, was created to be a companion and helpmate to Adam. God gave them everything in the garden, except one command, not to eat the fruit of the tree of knowledge of good and evil. But the serpent, cunning and deceitful, tempted Eve, and she ate the forbidden fruit. Adam, too, partook of the fruit, and with that, they disobeyed God's command. Now let's focus on drawing.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson.
This is just a brief summary of part 1 of the story of the Garden of Eden and Adam and Eve. As we leave today, we are reminded of the choices and consequences that shape our lives, just as they shaped the destiny of Adam and Eve. Don't forget to watch more sketch tutorials. You can subscribe at Heart for Art Live on YouTube, or you can watch us on Eternal Friends TV. Also, check out our Biblical Arts Museum, where we house over 150 different multicultural biblical characters and 20 African kings. ABAM Check out Wood Prosper. If you are an artist or individual wanting to customize your own t-shirts, caps, and more, thank you for tuning in. And remember, we'll be back next Tuesday. God bless, stay encouraged, and don't give up on God's calling for your life.
To understand God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy.